goodness, we are in the middle of our first blizzard of 2021. As you can see, it was supposed to start yesterday at 5 o'clock. It started yesterday at 10 a.m. And we are getting about an inch an hour. And you can see, there's Bubba. Look at how tall it is. So it is not as high. Oh, he's not as high as he is. It's up to him because as you can see, it's blowing snow. So, all right, enough. Bear. Enough. I don't know what he's barking at. But anyway, there you go. So we are in the midst of a snowstorm. Look at here. You're all white. You're all white. Look at you. You're all white. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my goodness. It is snowing. So that's how high it is. You can see my planter is about 2.5 feet tall. So that's more of a true indication in the front yard. So my planter is totally gone. And as you can see, no plows, no nothing. So it's blowing snow. Really quite crazy. There we go, there's a bigger picture. So it is very, very high, very high. And they're expecting this snowstorm to go on until Tuesday afternoon. And they're expecting from now until 5 p.m. Monday that it is now, 12:30 Monday. So from now until about 5:30, we're supposed to get about 1 inch to 2 inches an hour. And I believe it because it's really, really, really white outside. And it's really coming down. So if you can see against the tree, maybe you can see how it's snowing pretty good. All right, well, we'll check back in, but so far this is first snowstorm of 2021. Here is our 2 p.m. update. Look at the snow come down. My planter is totally gone, covered, and now they're calling for another 10 plus inches of snow to come. So this is the storm. What I thought was funny is a couple weeks ago we had the guy from the Weather Channel that always shows up for huge storms, and he missed it. And now he's not here this time, and this is the one that we're getting it. So, again, it is 1 inch an hour, and they're expecting another 10 inches for us to come. So we're already at almost 2 feet already. So it's beautiful. Bear's barking behind me because he wants to come out and run in the snow. I'll let him out in the backyard, but he's not allowed in the front because he will not be able to see the difference between the street and the yard. So, all right. It's very nice and quiet and peaceful. All right, talk to everyone later. I'll do another check-in. Bear! Oh, it's so deep. Come on, buddy.
Come on, dude.
Come on, buddy. It's
Bulldoze your way up here.
It's so deep.
You thought we had a black dog. No.
Come on, Bear.
We have a salt and pepper dog.
It's so deep. Let me see. Oh my gosh, let me see you. Oh, wait, stop.
What happened? We
Oh,
have the towel as soon as he walks in. There we go.
oh my goodness. Wait, let me just show outside again. It is so... Oh, look at it snow. We're going to have to shovel the deck, I think.
No, he'll just go
He's
on the
going to
deck.
have to maybe have a...
He has to go on the grass. Well, where the grass is supposed to be.
Well, you have to shovel a space or something for him to
Figure it
walk,
out.
the poor thing. Look at it snowing. It's so pretty, though, to see. Oh, listen. Shh.
Geese.
It's really faint. I don't know if you'll hear it. Okay. It is... Oh, let's see here. It is very deep. So as you can see, you can't even see my furniture anymore. We are at officially 27 inches. 27 inches. That is all Spare can walk. But it is 27 inches as of the airport. So as you can see, look at my big round bushy tree. It looks like it's going to collapse. The tree limbs are extremely heavy, which means power outages are going to start coming. Sadly, that's the next step that's going to happen. So Todd is off again today because I'll show you the front. We literally cannot get anywhere. You see all those bushes over there? They kind of look like a big mound. Those are actually arborvitaes, which are about 6 to 7 feet tall, and the snow has pushed them over. So yeah, we are not having a good day. All right, come on, Bear. I know you went pee-pee. Come on, let's go in. We'll come in, and we have to shovel a bit so you can come back out. Come on. Come on, let's shovel. Come on. There we go. Can we get in? Okay, it's a tight move here. All right, let me go show the front. Okay, so here it is now snowing yet again. It is Tuesday morning. Happy Groundhogs Day. So if you haven't seen, Puxatawny Phil is in Pennsylvania, is our weatherman. And he's a little groundhog that they pull out of a stump on Gobbler's Knob every year. Me and Todd actually went up to go see it once. I'll show pictures here in the corner. But he predicted 6 more weeks of winter. 6 more weeks of winter. So our street has not been plowed, as you can see. And it is continuing to snow. As of this morning, I haven't measured yet, but at the airport, they are predicting 27 inches. And as you can see, it's still snowing. And they're expecting another 3 to 6 inches today. So, yikes. All right, well, Todd said he's going to get out and try to make at least a path to the street. So, I'll keep taking photos. But, I mean, the trees do look really pretty. My concern is the snow is heavy. So, all right. Fingers crossed we get out of this. No power outages. I'll keep you posted. Happy Groundhog's Day. How high the snow is compared to Bear. So sadly he's not being able to walk around, and I know he needs to probably go poopy. Or maybe he just wants to play in the snow. Not really quite sure yet. But look at how high. Go in there, show him. Look at how high. But look at how beautiful. Those arborvitaes, I just talked to my neighbor. Those arborvitaes were 10 feet tall. Bear, if you get stuck in that snow, I'm not going to be able to get you out. Come on. Come on. Don't get stuck. So I talked to my neighbor, and those arborvitaes were over 10 feet tall. And look at how the snow is so heavy, it pushed them down. Bear, you can't go down that way. It's too deep. I know you want to walk the yard, but you can't. It's too deep. Too deep, buddy. Too deep. This is my concern right here, these power lines. They're my concern. So, but yeah, this is, this is our yard. So good job to Daddy for shoveling you a big spot here, okay? All right, we'll check back in. Well, Todd did a great job. He made it all the way down to the driveway, and as you can see, it is melting. It's still snowing, and a bunch of the neighbors have got themselves out also. We do have a big, huge pile in the yard, and there's no way you can see my planter, and the top of my little gazing ball stand is almost covered, and from where the plow pushed and what Todd shoveled, the snow is almost as tall as my deer, which stands on top of the planter. So this is our, he shoveled us out here, but the snow was up to the front door, so we had to push out and then shovel. So it was a lot of snow, even pushed up to the front door. So this is our winter wonderland for all of our friends that are not in Pennsylvania. It is still snowing. They're expecting another 3 to 6 inches today. And the meteorologist just said on the radio that expecting another snowstorm Friday, coming another couple inches. So we'll see how that goes. So maybe the groundhog was right. We're going to get 6 more weeks of winter. So, well, some of you visitors on our channel do not get snow like this. So I thought I'd just show you snow and what it's like to live in Pennsylvania sometimes. All right, well, you guys have a wonderful day. And I'm going to go inside. I'm making lunch for hubby. He worked really, really hard. Really, really hard. The snow is very heavy, so he worked very, very hard today. All right, I'll talk to everyone later. You have a wonderful day, and think of us up here in snowy PA. Bye.